Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 Ford Ranger XL Extra Cab Ute, stock reference number 5646. This shape runs from the 5th month 2022 and is the current shape. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has no damage, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, Duratray alloy tray with all bolts brackets, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts and brackets, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has a small fold on the front edge, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, interior courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.